Every insurance agency has hidden opportunities for growth, and they're often closer than you think. By identifying and focusing on your profit centers, you can take your agency's revenue to the next level. Start by reviewing your book of business. Which lines of insurance generate the highest commissions and renewals? Commercial lines, specialty coverages, or high retention products like life insurance might already be your top performers. Next, think about diversification. Are there underserved markets in your area, such as niche industries or unique personal lines opportunities? Expanding into these areas can reduce dependency on a single revenue stream while boosting overall profitability. Tracking and measuring profitability is critical. Use your agency management system or financial system to monitor performance over time. Look at metrics like average policy premium, retention rates, and loss ratios. This data can reveal where your efforts are paying off and where to make adjustments. And one more thing, don't just focus on growing revenue. Focus on growing smart. Regularly evaluate your profit centers. Understand your carrier's appetites and what lines of business they are looking to grow. This ensures you have the right market access and reduces the risk of losing key partnerships, keeping your agency on a steady path to success.